Car envelope. This is another scam involving cars. It works like this: you get into your car ready to drive to work or the place you're going, but then you notice on the passenger seat there's an envelope that wasn't there when you locked your car yesterday. This means someone must have broken into your vehicle and put the envelope in there. Inside the envelope will be a letter saying, "We've tested your car's alarm system and there's a possibility for a break-in. As we demonstrated here, there's big security flaws in your vehicle. We expect some financial payment, and in return, we'll send you a recommendation to make sure this never happens again." They're basically saying they'll offer you a security service. But really what they're saying is, "We'll keep breaking into your car until you pay us." Ask a cop and they'll say never deal with someone trying to blackmail you. In the letter they will attach a phone number and an account number to a bank account. But of course you should never pay it, as this will simply encourage them to come back and do it again.